Okay, this is how to make a three-way split or Y connection using your Govee Pro splice kits, which are nice because they are automatically going to connect into extensions or strands as you split your Y. You know, weatherproof your wire along the way without having to heat shrink and all that type of stuff. So this is going to be a case where we're starting with a female and two males, because this is always the beginning where your power comes from, and this is where your power is going or ending. So we're going to use that for the example, but you may have a case where you're going here into another female and then into a male. So it's possible you could have female here and female here. But for this example, we're going to use the two males, one female. So first thing is cut your wire. And you can make these any length you need. So say you're wanting to go from your power source and you need 5 feet going that way and only 1 foot going this way. You're just going around an edge here, but you're actually going like down, a whole corner on this one. So you can make these different lengths where you've got more wire here and less wire here. It doesn't matter as long as you stay, roughly under 12 feet or so in my experience. Okay, so step one is to take your two wires. It's easier to put it through this grommet before you strip it. So I generally use a pair of scissors or a drill bit and drill out the grommet just a little bit for the two wires because it's made for just a thin Govee wire. But you'll put these through. Like so for the first step. Just so you don't forget, you can also go ahead, take your sleeve, put it there as well. If you put it over the grommet, it'll hold it into place too. So while you're working, then strip your wire. Then you want to twist your wires together to make them strong and provide a good connection. Match up your colors. Twist together. Open your connectors and match up your colors. I like to kind of push them in all at the same time to create as little aggravation to the wire as possible. It's just a personal preference. You can do them individually. And I will go back and forth to get it to go in good. Close the connectors. Close your sleeve. And you want to be sure and slide the sleeve away from the grommet, because if you try to twist it while the grommet's on there, it'll twist the wires. So you put the sleeve on first and then slide, hold here, and slide the grommet down. Put your cap on. Snug it up. And now you're going to repeat the process for both of these guys individually. So I'll speed up the video for that. And there you go. Now you've got your flux capacitor three-way or Y connector. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Also, I will have links to this, the wire, that I use on the description below, and thanks for watching. So typically you're gonna start with, I don't know if that's male or female, or
what in heaven's name are you talking about?